Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel Kindlearn. So today in this video, I have brought to you the names of 25 carnivorous animals. So I am starting the video. Till then please subscribe to our channel. Lion, Wolf, Tiger, Strandwolf, Shark, Jackal, Otter, Komodo dragon, Ferret, Polar bear, Leopard, Hyena, Walrus, Python, Arctic fox, Jaguar, Seal, Cheetah, Eurasian lynx, Crocodile, Badger, Octopus, Lizard, Civet, Snow leopard or ounce. So if you love this video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to our channel Kindlearn. Thank you.